So hey guys, welcome back to KR Tutorials. So in this session we are gonna learn about some facts of air pollution. So in the first session what I said you guys that air pollution can affect living things and also non-living things. So here I said you that fact, right? So here today we are gonna learn about some of the effects of one greatest monument in India which we cannot forget, that is Taj Mahal. So before knowing how Taj Mahal is affected by the air pollution, we will know who built it and with what it is built, for whom it is built. So Taj Mahal is here built with Shah Jahan. So here, do you know Shah Jahan? I think he's a ruler. I think you guys know him at 6-7 classes. I think you learned about him. So his third wife was Mumtaz Mahal. So in the presence of Mumtaz Mahal, she is gonna die. So when she died, in the presence of Mumtaz Mahal, he built Taj Mahal. So how many years it took to build Taj Mahal? 22 years. Taj Mahal, it took 22 years to build Taj Mahal here. So here, what it is made up of? It is made up of shining whitey marble. So here now let's know about the effects of what are the effects by the air pollution on Taj Mahal. So here in the third session I said you that while some factories produce from the smoke, the particles produce oxides of sulfur and oxides of nitrogen. Okay, so here what they do, here how does it affect? So here whatever it is there, oxides of nitrogen and oxides of sulfur, here oxides of nitrogen will be mixed up. So these both are poisonous, right? So these both will be mixed up with the fog or water vapor in the air. So when the oxides of sulfur mix up with the water vapor, it becomes sulfuric acid. And when the oxides of nitrogen mix up, they become nitric acid. So here these both. So what do you know the water cycle? So what they do, in the summer they take the water, so the sun will take the water all. So here there are three forms, right? Gaseous, solid and liquid. So here what will the liquid form will go into, liquid form will turn into gaseous, which is called water vapor. So this water vapor which is called, so here nitric acid and sulfuric acid, these both will condense and become water vapor. So the formula is same, they are still the sulfuric acid and nitric acid. So normally we get rain, right? So here this is not called rain, this is called acid rain. So here by the acid rain, the Taj Mahal is becoming yellowish. So the marble is white, right? So by these poisonous things, the Taj Mahal is getting affected and it is becoming yellow. So you can see when it was built, how it was shining and how it was white. So now if you see the pictures of Taj Mahal, you can see the difference, a lot of difference from before and after. So scientists are, so if we did not stop, our Taj Mahal will be totally become yellow, so there will be no beauty in that. So that is one of the greatest monument of our India. So even scientists are trying what to do to it. So what can we do? So by this you can know even non-living things are affected by it. Even non-living things, air pollution. So how much level it is? So at what peak range the air pollution is? So in this session we will end up. So for this session only this about Taj Mahal. So if you like my explanation, please like, share and subscribe. If you have any doubt, please comment down. So I'll meet you in next video and next module. Till then, bye bye.